Moo, thank you to ReadMoo for sending us this sample. This is the Mooink Plus 2C. This is a color e-reader. This is a very long, elaborate name. It's a 7.8 inch, and guess what, everybody? This is a Kaleido 3, meaning that it is not using Kaleido Plus like the pocketbook. This is actually using the latest color e-paper, putting it in line with things like the Bigme S6 Color and the Tab Mini C. This is the box front and back. You will see that we have 2 gigs of RAM, a 2050 milliamp battery, and of course 128 gigs onboard storage. You only get 119 out of it. It reads various file formats, has 150 ppi and color. Now the downside about these, and it'll become clear when we open it, is that these are only in Chinese. And as it stands, they do not have an English option, at least on the ones we've opened. Also, this is actually made in Taiwan, not China. Some of their samples have security tags, some of them will be wrapped in plastic, so keep that in mind. You do have a cardboard kind of insert inside the card stock, and let us put this off to the side for now because we like to show the unit at the very end. Oh guys, it's sunken screen. That's great, I love that. Everything about Mooink and ReadMoo is very colorful, it's very kind of high quality, it's not just chucked in there like some Y-bend products. These are all kind of very nicely packaged. This is the user guide. Now it will have some things in English because they do speak English in Taiwan. It's just not fully translated. You do have a USB-C. There's no note-taking pen located inside the box because this is an e-reader. That's what it is called. The backing is awesome. It's got this artistic kind of look to it. Although, even though we alcohol our fingertips prior to every shoot, you will see there is a great deal of markings on the back because it is not textured. There are embossed swirls and swipes to make it look like ink, but it is not textured, and it's kind of snappy, and you hear that? You can kind of push the backing down. It's a thin backing, and it presses up against the battery pack. So let's take this off and see what we can see once we open it and turn it on for the first time. But before that, we have to look at the body. They are anything but cookie cutter. This is a squared off design with a kind of flattened bottom with a USB-C at the bottom, and you have physical page turn buttons on both sides. It says previous, next, and page turn button. I believe these will also be active for menu navigations, etc. You do have a status indicator light, and I'm not sure if it's a reset or it is a microphone, but actually, you know what I could do? While this turns on, I can refer to the user manual, because that's what it's for. It says it is a reset button, and that's in English, so thank you very much, ReadMoo. That one is in English because it got translated for us, but you know what? This isn't it is turning on. Okay, so we'll be right back with you once it boots up. So as you can see, it is in color. That's all well and good. How does this actually perform? We have absolutely no idea. These guys are fairly locked out from the rest of the world. They do not play ball with the rest of the world in terms of adding languages, adding different bookstores. They do distribute through us, but that's kind of where it ends with these guys, but we'll leave all that till the final review when it comes up preceding this video. For now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new ReadMoo Mooink Plus 2C Kaleido 3 ebook reader. For GoodyReader.com, thanks for watching.